In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stream directly from Google Meet to YouTube. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into the address bar, then opening the meeting you want to use for your stream. If you have already been given a meeting link, open that link in Chrome so you are inside the meeting interface. Once you are in the meeting, take a moment to confirm that your camera and microphone settings are correct. This helps you avoid audio or video problems once you begin sharing. Also, close any unrelated tabs or apps you do not want viewers to see, because screen sharing can reveal more than you expect if you switch windows. Now look at the bottom area of the Google Meet window and find the option to share screen. Click Share Screen to open the sharing choices. Google Meet will give you different ways to share, such as an entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. For streaming content to YouTube from Meet, the key choice is sharing a Chrome tab, because it allows you to include tab audio in a cleaner way. In the Share dialog, select the Chrome tab option, and then find the tab labeled with YouTube. Click the YouTube tab in the list, so Meet knows exactly which tab you want to present. Before you confirm, make sure you also enable audio. There is an audio toggle or checkbox below the list of tabs. Turn that on so the sound from the YouTube tab will be included in what you are sharing. This is important if your stream includes a video, music, or any other playback that your audience needs to hear. After selecting the YouTube tab and enabling audio, proceed to start sharing. At this point, your meeting participants will see that YouTube tab, and the audio from that tab will be carried through as well. For best results, keep the YouTube content playing in that same tab, and avoid switching the shared tab to something else, since that can interrupt what viewers see and hear. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.